Throughout this video, we'll be going over how to perform an environmental calibration for TAURI plus Reacts. Begin by clicking the Settings menu and entering your PIN, which by default is 12345. Now log in. If your TAURI is running firmware version 1.6.0 or higher, you'll notice the Environmental Calibration option under the Detection tab. Please click Set Environmental Calibration and read the instructions on the next screen. If your panel has been powered on for 10 minutes where it will be used, please continue to Step 2. Take your body temperature with an accurate thermometer and enter the value into the first field. My temperature was 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, so I'll enter that value there. Now, stand in front of the device where you would normally be scanned and click Set. You'll be given the option to reset your password and continue to the user or admin view. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like more information, please go to www.auroramultimedia.com.